Today I'm gonna make the second video from the trip to Latvia and Estonia. But before we will start, I will just rewind. Already we had a lot of great experience here in Latvia. I had a bit of a problem with my gear on the bike, and we went to this bike shop. He fixed the gears. After visiting that nice bike shop, everything was fine and we could just go straight ahead. Breakfast. Yep. Good coffee, but too much waste. Leaving camp. Back on track for Sigulda, 7 kilometers. Yes, yes, yes. Workout. We left Sigulda, a very nice place, paved road but no traffic, nice fields, blue skies with a little clouds. What's not to like? When you go down, you have to go up. The area we are cycling in has a lot of caves. Yeah, we get stunning views throughout the day today. Fighting the mosquitoes this morning. Nearly ready for breakfast. So we are in Chesits, I think it's called, and it's the second visit to a bike shop. Now Heidi has some problems with her gears, but it's getting fixed and everybody's happy. Wednesday snail, killer snail. Due to some rain, we had a late start and we went to a cafe also for a nice coffee, and now we are on the way to Smiltnes. know when the paved road ends. Then you have these signs, paved road ends, and it will be gravel road.